New at 10 tonight, there may still be snow on the ground, but warmer temperatures are on the way, right?
And yeah, we hope, right?
Yes, exactly.
That means it's time to start thinking about spring flooding and the dangers it poses to your family and home. As part of Flood Safety Awareness Week, Outagamie County emergency management leaders say everyone should be prepared.
I think the biggest thing is making sure that you're aware of your surroundings. If you live in a low-lying area, prepare yourselves by watching those river levels, making sure that you're keeping track. If the river is rising, you need to take action.
Emergency management offices across the state provide special radios and sandbags to help those in need.